Here's our step-by-step guide at Savage Sales for adding captions to videos using CapCut. Start by importing your project into CapCut. With no clip selected, navigate to Text, click on it, and then select Auto Captions. Choose English as your source language, hit Generate, and wait a few moments. Now that we have our captions, let's enhance their readability by limiting them to 2 to 3 words per line. Here's how. Select the Captions track. I prefer my captions in all caps, so I choose for a font that's designed in uppercase. For styling, head over to Templates and pick a design you like. If you're interested in animated captions, Animations is your go-to. Just remember to deselect Apply to All. With these steps, you'll notice the captions now display 2 to 3 words per line. Feel free to explore more styles within templates. The last thing we need to do is resize the captions and position them in the middle to make them easier to read. Once done, export the video and you should have something like this.